Siddharth Roy Chaudhary wants to know, when one switches from one scheme to another under the same fund house, are there any tax implications since the investor doesn't receive anything in hand?
Well, yes, if you switch out from a fund and reinvest in another fund of the same fund house, even then the same capital gains tax rules are applicable as are in case of a redemption. Not only that, in fact, if you were to switch your investments between the regular and the direct plan of the same fund, even then the same capital gains tax laws are applicable. So you need to be mindful of that while planning your switch. That's one. But he made an interesting point about the money not coming into his hand. So why the capital gains tax applicability? While the rules right now are like that, but in fact we also have a tax sheltered account on our wish list for long, where as long as the money remains within that umbrella account, an investor need not pay any capital gains tax on any switches from one fund to another within that account. Those investments may even be in stocks. Uh, Somewhat similar flexibility one has in the NPS Tier 1 account, where one can switch between the plan sponsors. There is a fair degree of flexibility available there for an investor to switch from one plan sponsor to the other without invoking any capital gains tax liability. But thus far, there is no such account or no such provision available in case of mutual funds. But we'd love to see some such account, a tax sheltered account being introduced in India at some point in time.